Hi, it's me, May USA 19 again, and I am, sorry for that pause, I am going to be showing you how to make a birdcage for, Julia's pet owl, Sir Hoots Alots. Now, what you'll need is this Julia right here. That's her. Okay, so what you'll need is her doll stand, but together in order, with this and stuff. And of course you're going to need Sir Hoots Alots, her owl. You see this part of his feet? Yeah, about that, you can, you're going to need that part, so it's good. You need a container like this, empty and see-through, so like this. You need things, like little accessory things, like obviously like this, or I guess, I don't know, maybe some silly bands, maybe. I'm not sure what you guys want, but just shoes and scrunchie, yeah. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to do this. You have your clear container thingy. Oh wait, 1 second, guys. Okay. Wow, you have your container thingy, and of course, and your doll stand. You put this in like that. Make sure it stands. I have the fan on. That's why it's full. I'm gonna turn off the fan. Okay, sorry. So stand it in there. Make sure you have no fan on, cause this will not work. Oh my God, this thing's so annoying. Sorry, peoples. Okay, maybe you can put it to the back like that. Don't put Sir Hoots on anything yet. Sorry. Well, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put things like these in. So put it all around the container, any way you want. This can take a little while, okay? Like anything you want, like seriously, anything you want. It might also hold it in place. I don't know, cause I didn't do this in a long time. I discovered this a long time ago. So you can put it all around the thingy. So now it will look cool, something that. Yeah. And as you can see, I'm still decorating. Sorry, guys. This might take a little long. Yeah. Okay. So you'll have the bottom set, and now you want to put the doll something on a doll stand, so it looks nice. Sorry, people. It's way better. Second. You can put like you can hang stuff on it. For example, see this? The thing I showed you earlier? Yeah, this, you could, I'm gonna put it, like, maybe here. You can hang it anywhere you want. See? And I'm going to also put something else on here. You see this? Yeah, it's cool. I got it from this eraser thingy that I guess you can get from, like, Toys R Us. They have this quarter machine. Well, my Toys R Us has it, and it has like this turtle thingy and other animals, and some of them are removable. So if you take the shell off, and it's any color you get or want, you place it on top of the doll stand like that. And a second. Sorry. Oh my God. This is annoying. And you're also going to want to have, let me look for it. Oh my god, where the Laguna's fins are here? I don't know. Yeah, you're going to need, okay, I don't have it at the moment right now, but this is what you could do, I guess. Okay, have a little squishy or whatever, like this, and, well, you could just, second. Oh, this is so much better when I did this before. This is another time making it. Just place it like that. Second. Something like this. So if it's like that, and well, I had another scrunchie that I was gonna use, but I couldn't find it. It had like these little things at the end, and you can pretend that's Sir Hoots Alots food. I don't know what you guys want to do, but this is my way of making the birdcage. So, and then, last but not least, that's awesome. You get Sir Hoots Alot. This is something I found out before because I was curious. Second. You could, oh my god, you could put him right, one second, people, that's so annoying. Okay, let me turn this around for a second. Okay, you see these little things that's sticking out? Yeah, that's where you could put your Hoots Alot on. If you just, you see his legs, just, it's like a snap-on thing. Snap. And then he stays on. Any side works. This side or this side. This side, I don't know what this is for. I just put it there because it looks cute. Or I guess I can pretend that's like where he sleeps in. I don't know. Fix the stuff for a second. And there you have it. Sir Hoots Alot's birdcage. You can angle it this way. One second. You can angle it this way. You could angle it this way, I guess. Or the back even, yeah. So, all this stuff in here is like, I don't know, like little decorations covering up this part of the string because you don't want that sticking out. That's the only part that where it's like not like holding the doll stand up. And this, I guess it could be a little sleeping bag thing. This a little shelter, like a cute thing. I don't know. And this could be where he eats. Like you take him off, you pretend he's flying, and then he could go right there to eat, and then he could go in here to sleep. Might need to be a little bigger, but this is the only one I have like that. I had another one, but it broke. Anyways, yeah. Well, this is the finished result. And I hope you like this video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Sir Hoots Alots is saying bye. Oh yeah, plus Julia. Here we go.